Go get the farm.
The security, that's probably my favorite part of traveling. It's going through the gate, have people tell you,
They basically do this.
Yeah.
You need to go that way.
But we're boarding the plane, finally.
Okay, Google. Fly airplane to LA airport.
Small light. This plane is huge. So this is what, a 787?
787-800.
787. I don't think I've ever been on a plane this big before.
These are kind of new.
This is huge. This is huge.
So the 787 is based on the 777, which is not as quite as big, but most airline companies are buying them because they're highly fuel efficient.
Ooh,
however,
fuel efficient.
Yes, and they offer in-class entertainment, fancy remote. Go get the farm. It's like a freaking Wii remote, dude.
They're so early, but anyways, you probably should have you out on your way quite a bit early today. The route flight is forecast for about 6 hours. A bumpy that's maybe already arrived.
Busiest airports in America.
We can rebuild them. We can make them faster. I'm wearing sandals on me.
I got sneakers on though. Watch out. Two little kids, they don't get out much.
Saw the name on there. Yeah.
Look at this line for In-N-Out. It's crazy. Crazy. We made it. We made it. We did. Finally. Say hi to the blog.
Hola.
Holy busy Batman.
It's what?
It's like 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, this place is still hopping.
Okay.
The famous In-N-Out burger.
I'm telling you, you said okay, but you didn't even know how busy all night.
If you're coming to California, you gotta go to In-N-Out. It's classic. Cheap, fast, and fills your belly. Elevators outside?
Really?
What?
Wait, what?
We're not in Kansas anymore.
Illinois, that's pretty far.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We walked.
Yeah, we walked. It wasn't too far.
Yeah, it took us 2 hours.
Very quick walkers. It's the shorts.
You should see my calves right about now.